In this video, I will show how to multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. We have these two columns. Firstly, type equal. Now here select this first one. So this is the first cell. Then press asterisk symbol by pressing the shift and 8 number key on your keyboard. So this star symbol press on your keyboard. Then select this second cell. In my case, it's O2. Now just press enter. Now drag and drop. So move your cursor to this corner. Once you see your cursor is changed into cross, so drag and drop like this. So this is the very simple and basic way to calculate to multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.